What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna go kayaking and try to catch some bass and some bluegill at a local pond out where I grew up. I brought Bex with me. It's pretty hot, like 90, 95, high humidity, but I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, let's catch some fish. Munchy food and some lures. Let's see what we catch. Let's go catch some fish, bud. Woo. So I decided it's probably too hot to just have Vex outside, and so close to the parents' house, figured just drop him off. Let him play with my parents' dog, Jax. Today, it's a little local pond. That's pretty big. It dried up maybe, I don't know, 5 years ago completely, and so I think people stocked it full with bass, so there's some pretty good bass in here. But here's the kayak I'll be using. Nothing special, just a Sun Dolphin cheap Walmart kayak. Had to get some different paddles. Just gonna have one rod today. This was kind of spur of the moment, so I don't have like a GoPro or a chest mount, so hopefully I'll try to get some video while reeling in some fish, but we'll see how that goes because all I got's one hand and my iPhone, so. Got this little guy. Not bad. There's bigger ones for sure though. Time to let him go. Just reeled this bad boy in. Just caught this big bad boy. Yeah. Dang. It's huge. Boy, there's some big ones out today. Look at that bad boy. As big as my paddle. I really need to get a GoPro chest or head mount. And there it is next to my leg. Another one. Woo woo. They're biting on this fluorescent green yellow color today, like big time. It's the first time I've ever actually caught fish with this big thing too.